Chickapea, stop eating Jersey's food. Come here. Give that back. Jerzie, she's eating your food. What's the matter, bud? Chickapea, you're so fat. Put it down. Step away from the food. Jerzie, what's going on? Oh, where'd she go? Jerzie. Chickapea, come on, baby. Chickapea, come on. Jerzie, leave her alone. Chickapea, what happened? What happened, baby?
She's like, get the hell out of my food bowl. That's
Chickapea. Watch it. Chickapea, come here. Come. No. You hear the sound she's making? Barking at Jerzie, too. I got a cute little picture of her at his bowl and him sitting over there going, mm.
Take a picture of both of them eating together.
I'm taking a video and put it on YouTube. YouTube. Jerzie, what's the matter, bud? She take your food?
Yes.
We can share. We're friends. Oh, there's some more over there. Gotta get it. We don't waste. Ow! She bit me! Little skank. It's going on YouTube.
Not that anybody else.
Jerzie, what happened? Mom?
Chickapea.
She bit me, Aunt.
Probably deserved it. Don't ever go out there with fat chick's food. Know that.
Aw. Evil. Come on. I'm gonna need to put you in like Alpo Anonymous or something. Give it.
Hey!
Jersey's like, I'll take this small piece. Did she go after Jerzie? I wasn't watching. Aw, Jerzie, come here. Come here, baby. It's okay. He's scared now. Look at him. Jerzie, come. Jerzie. Here, I'll grab you a couple of pieces.
Hey!
This is the only way I can eat when the prairie dog is out.
Don't let her eat too much of that.
Because I'm supposed to do so much about it.
Well, stop her. I'll do it.
I'd like to keep my fingers. Let's watch.
Hey! Enough of that. No biting.
Look at her.
I'm going to the cage.
In the cage. Okay, Anthony, say goodbye.